And I think, Ma, we like balloons, decorations and balloons.
What color?
Blue. Kasi, pwede mas tayo eh. Sa akin green, sa'yo red, kay Papa blue.
Okay, ka ate.
Tapos na yung puti eh.
Ah, okay. What are we going to prepare for ate?
Kaya,
For Papa. What food we will cook for Papa?
I think spaghetti and chicken.
Again! Every birthday is spaghetti and chicken.
Eh, ayun yung buhay ng butiks.
Yun yung
Buhay ng mga butiks.
buhay ng mga birthday, spaghetti at saka chicken. So on your birthday, we will also make only spaghetti and chicken.
Spaghetti lang.
On your birthday?
I like cakes.
Cakes also.
I love
Do you
it.
love flowers?
No, Ma, it's for you.
It's for me, the flowers.
Uh,
For you what?
I just, a bed, please. A dinosaur book, please.
A dinosaur book. And?
A bed.
A bird?
A bed.
Ah, a bed. Yes. That is my gift to you on your birthday, a bed.
And a dinosaur book.
Huh?
And a dinosaur book.
And a dinosaur book. Okay. I will keep it. I will keep my promise. But what if there is no green bed?
Iba lang yung beds mo.
Ibang color na lang.
Kung walang gray, merong blue, in blue na lang.
How about kung pink or lavender lang ang meron?
Dapat na, ang pink.
Pink na lang.
I love it green. Tinulog ko sa green bed.
You really like green. Okay, I will try, my loves.
Thank you, Mommy. I'm just waiting for you to close you.
How about Ate? We don't have gift for Ate yet.
Eh, nakahanda na ako ng gift.
Ah, okay. Ako wala pa akong gift eh. Ano nga yung sinabi kong gift ko kay Ate?
Cellphone nga. Laptop nga.
Ah, laptop pala. Kasi wala na siyang laptop. Pero kasi pag bibigyan siya ng laptop, pero nung binigyan ko siya ng laptop, di ba sinira niya?
Hey, Mommy, tell ate, number cellphone with your laptop bago.
I'm always telling her to take care of her laptop. OMG, what a big ko. What is that, be?
Ah, isa, do truck,
Dump truck?
truck.
Yes.
Mine is waiting for flowers.
Look at that building. It's so nice. Do you remember that building, oh? Yan, yung building na pinokos ko. Do you remember that? What?
Hey, that's your bahay.
No, it's not our bahay. That is where we walk when Mama Nini is still here. Remember? That is the house of the Qatar Airways cruise.
Close.
Yeah.